Hello everyone, once again, welcome back. This is Mama Moto. We are going to make a very delicious breakfast. It's called Plantain Frittata. It's loaded with loads of vitamins to start your day. So we're going to start it using all these ingredients: plantain, egg, bell pepper, one garlic, optional, Scotch bonnet, and we're going to use cilantro, or you can call it coriander. We're going to be frying this plantain with olive oil. We're not going to use any refined oil. This is a very organic platform. The reason why we're going to use olive oil is because it's pressed. So that's the best. I would recommend always use the olive oil if you need to cook or you need to fry. Follow me while I start with this delicious, nutritious cooking. Final outcome of your delicious, nourishing plantain frittata. You could have this for your breakfast and have the option of using your pineapple juice for your breakfast. You can watch that in my previous video. Or you can use this, your almond drink, which I just made previously. Check out my almond drink. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me what you want me to make for you the next video. I'm here to deliver. Thank you for watching. Bye.